Syria calls for UN Security Council meeting on Golan. Erdogan, US has no right to give Golan to Israel. US envoy to Israel reveals details of deal of century. Israeli forces kill Palestinian medic in West Bank. Israel deploys reinforcements near Gaza ahead of rally. Israeli airstrikes damage 500 Palestinians' homes. Israel hits Hamas targets in Gaza Strip. Saudi King Salman receives Libya's Haftar in Riyadh. Germany demands full transparency in Khashoggi case. Death tolls from Iran floods claims to 27. Malaysia condemns Israeli airstrikes on Gaza Strip. Pakistan joins criticism over US Golan Heights move.